Are you ready to completely transform your snack game and ignite your energy with every single crunch? Imagine reaching for a snack that doesn't just taste amazing, but also fuels your body, sharpens your focus, and lifts your mood. Plant-based snacks packed with seeds and nuts are the ultimate game changer. Satisfying, nutrient-dense, and irresistibly crunchy. This is not just snacking, it's a revolution for your taste buds and your health. Welcome to the world of crunchy seed and nut power, where every bite delivers flavor, texture, and energy in perfect harmony. These snacks are more than just tasty treats, they are little powerhouses of nutrition. Seeds like chia, flax, and pumpkin are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and minerals. Nuts like almonds, cashews, walnuts, and pistachios deliver plant-based protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Together, they create the perfect combination of fuel to keep you energized and satisfied throughout your day. Whether you're heading to the gym, powering through work, or just craving something crunchy and delicious, these snacks are your new go-to. Now, picture this. Crispy roasted seeds popping between your teeth, the buttery crunch of toasted nuts, maybe a drizzle of maple or a hint of sea salt. Close your eyes for a second, you can almost hear that irresistible crunch. This isn't just food, it's a sensory experience. And the best part? You can learn to make them yourself, right now, on YouTube. Our YouTube channel is your ultimate destination for epic plant-based snack recipes that are simple, fun, and unforgettable. Each video walks you through every step, from prepping your seeds and nuts to roasting, seasoning, and storing your crunchy creations. You'll get close-up visuals, ASMR-worthy crunch sounds, and tips to customize flavors exactly how you like them: sweet, savory, spicy, or even dessert-inspired. But don't just watch, get involved. Smash that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a single recipe drop. Every week we release a brand new snack episode, and trust me, you'll want to try them all. From spicy cayenne pumpkin seed crunch to cocoa almond energy clusters, from turmeric cashew bites to savory everything bagel nut mixes, there's a snack for every craving. Still wondering if it's worth clicking? Just listen to what our community says. I started making these snacks every Sunday, and now my whole family grabs them instead of chips or candy. These recipes are so easy and creative, they've completely changed how I snack. I never thought plant-based snacks could be this good. Now I crave them daily. Every video isn't just a recipe, it's a mini snack adventure. We break down nutrition benefits, suggest flavor combos, and give you tips for packaging snacks to take on the go. Plus, we always include a bonus tip or recipe at the very end, so make sure you watch until the final second. In our first episode, Seed and Nut Crunch Sampler, we're revealing 3 unique recipes to kickstart your healthy snacking journey. These aren't just any snacks, they're bold, fun, and absolutely addictive in the best way possible. Once you've tried them, you'll be inspired to create your own signature snack blends. And here's the best part. When you subscribe and turn on notifications, you'll instantly become part of a growing crunch-loving community. We share exclusive tips, giveaways, and even live Q&A sessions where you can ask for personalized snack advice. Plus, subscribers get access to our free printable recipe cards, perfect for your kitchen or for gifting homemade snacks to friends. Healthy snacking should never be boring, and that's exactly why we do what we do. These crunchy, flavorful seed and nut snacks aren't just food, they're a lifestyle upgrade. They help you feel better, stay energized, and enjoy what you eat without guilt. So, what are you waiting for? Click right now to watch our latest video. Hit subscribe, smash the bell icon. Join the crunch revolution today. Your new favorite snack is just one click away. Start with our Seed and Nut Crunch Sampler episode, and then binge watch the rest of our recipes. Once you've tasted the magic of homemade plant-based crunch, you'll never look at store-bought snacks the same way again. It's time to snack better, live better, and feel amazing one crunchy bite at a time. Click now, watch now, crunch now. Pergunta ao ChatGPT.